working on quadratics, my behavior is erratic. Doing maths on automatic, yeah, I'm thinking systematic. I'm gonna go up like a parabola. To do that, I'ma use algebra. Always in the middle of a battle of character. I'll eat you up, tarantula. We on vacation, yeah, aloha. Rapping in front of a camera. My drip ice cold like Canada. I'm on the axis of symmetry. Maximum adaptability. I'ma be remembered till infinity. Explode this track artillery. Using my creativity, I'm gonna put you out of your misery. Don't even need publicity. My name is
When I see her, I get exponential. All these maths, I do a mental. Cross multiplication, I'm the best in the nation. I hit 'em from the side, they go pow. Calculate my stride like Soka Tao. My brethren's dead from a car collision. Call that family division. Playing with my heart like Activision. She cheated on me. Trigonometry. When I rap, I'm godly, just like G. Zus.
Man, confidence in class is touching the sky. But when a test comes up, it bids goodbye. We're staring at our papers, thinking it's not fair. Our memory is dwindling, we're starting to not care. We revel in our freedom. It feels miraculous, but wait until we are introduced to calculus. More rules, more equations, more things. For our visions, pray for my sanity or I'll become a liability.
Yo, half it, square it, stick it back in. Need my glasses to improve the vision. Pull up in the monster automobile gangster with a bad bleep that came from Sri Lanka. Yeah, I'm in the Tonka, call me Wonka. You could be the king, but watch the queen conquer.
New school, I got nothing to do. Spending my time just acting like a fool. Whole lot of topics introduced. Quadratics, statistics, trig obtuse. All these classes, it's mental abuse. All these classes I've been confused. These hot summer days, I'm just trying to stay cool. Gonna take a dip in this new school pool.
A squared plus B squared equals C squared. I'm trying to learn math but this fool, he never cared. When I see trig, I got my teeth bared. Just remember, always have to be squared.